Hello everyone, welcome to Endless Wisdom. If you are someone who struggles with stress and anxiety, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips and tricks to help you reduce stress and anxiety and improve your overall mental health. So let's get started. Tip number 1, practice mindfulness. So, what is mindfulness? Mindfulness is a technique that involves being present in the moment and seeing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. So, practicing mindfulness can help reduce stress and anxiety by promoting a sense of calm and relaxation. You can practice mindfulness through meditation, deep breathing exercises, or simply by focusing on your breath and your surroundings. Tip number 2. Exercise regularly. See, exercise is a great way to reduce stress and anxiety and improve your overall mental health. As we all know, exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters and can help you feel more energized and focused. Aim for at least 30 minutes of physical activity each day, whether it's going for a walk, doing yoga, or hitting the gym. Tip number 3, get enough sleep. As I mentioned in the previous video, sleep is essential for good mental health. You may ask why. See, lack of sleep can lead to increased stress and anxiety levels as well as fatigue and irritability. Make sure you're getting enough sleep each night and try to stick to a consistent sleep schedule. And my brothers and sisters, please avoid using electronics or doing work in bed, as this can interfere with your sleep quality, okay? Tip number 4, practice self-care. Self-care is essential for reducing stress and anxiety and promoting good mental health. Make time for activities you enjoy, whether it's reading a book, taking a bath, or spending some time with your friends and family. Also, take care of your physical health by eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and avoiding drugs and alcohol. And tip number 5, seek professional help. If you are struggling with severe stress or anxiety, it's important to seek professional help. A mental health professional can provide you with the tools and resources you need to manage your symptoms and improve your overall mental health. Don't be afraid to reach out for help if you need it. So finally, stress and anxiety can be difficult to deal with, but there are steps you can take to reduce your symptoms and improve your mental health by practicing mindfulness, exercising regularly, getting enough sleep, practicing self-care, and seeking professional help if necessary. I promise you can overcome stress and anxiety and live a happier, healthier life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more health and wellness tips from Endless Wisdom. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.